apple pie. Pidey-widey, tidy-pidey, nice and sidey apple pie. B was once a little bear, berry, werry, hairy, berry, take carry, little bear. C was once a little cake, cakey, bakey, makey, cakey, takey, cakey, little cake. D was once a little doll, dolly, molly, polly, nolly, nursey dolly, little doll. E was once a little eel, eely, weely, peely, eely, twirly, tweely, little eel. F was once a little fish, fishy, wishy, squishy, fishy, in a dishy, little fish. G was once a little goose, goosey, moosey, boosey, goosey, waddly, woosey, little goose. H was once a little hen, henny, chenny, tenny, henny, eggsy, any, little hen. I was once a bottle of ink, inky, dinky, thinky, inky, blacky, minky, bottle of ink. J was once a jar of jam, jammy, mammy, clammy, jammy, sweety, swammy, jar of jam. K was once a little kite, kitey, whitey, flighty, kitey, out of sighty, little kite. L was once a little lark, larky, marky, harky, larky, in the parky, little lark. M was once a little mouse, mousy, bousy, sousy, mousy, in the housey, little mouse. N was once a little needle, needly, tweedly, threedly, needly, whiskey, wheedly, little needly. O was once a little owl, owly, prowly, howly, owly, browny, fowly, little owl. P was once a little pump, pumpy, slumpy, flumpy, pumpy, dumpy, thumpy, little pump. Q was once a little quail, quaily, faily, daily, quaily, stumpy, taily, little quail. R was once a little rose, rosy, posy, nosy, rosy, blowsy, growsy, little rose. S was once a little shrimp, shrimpy, nimpy, flimpy, shrimpy, jumpy, jimpy, little shrimp. T was once a little thrush, thrushy, hushy, bushy, thrushy, flitty, flushy, little thrush. U was once a little urn, urny, burny, turny, urny, bubbly, burny, little urn. V was once a little vine, viney, whiny, twiny, viney, twisty, twiny, little vine. W was once a whale, whaley, scaly, shaly, whaley, tumbly, taily, mighty whale. X was once a great king, Xerxes, Xerxes, Perksy, Turksy, Xerxes, Lynxy, Urksy, great king Xerxes. Y was once a little U, Udy, feudy, crudy, Udy, groudy, groody, little U. Z was once a piece of zinc, tinky, winky, blinky, tinky, tinkly, minkly, piece of zinc.